Welcome to my channel. So today we're making Hainanese chicken and rice. I've got a whole chicken. I've added a cup of water, scallions, and some ginger root. Now season with a generous amount of salt. Close the lid and pressure cook for 30 minutes. Then do a quick release. The chicken's done, now you can set it aside. And here's the part where you can strain the chicken broth. Dab the fat with some paper towels. Now you can add the chicken broth to your rinsed rice. Cook normally in your rice cooker. Now mince up a bunch of ginger root. Add sugar to your ginger. Then fish sauce. Then add the juice of a whole lime. Add a little water. Chop up a few scallions. Then add hot oil. Add salt and sugar. Let's plate. Add your ginger sauce. And your scallion oil. Now it's time to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.